Hey, have you ever wondered how some people are making thousands of dollars every single month without showing their own faces, without filming a single clip, and without spending hours editing like some of us? The secret is AI. And today, I'm going to show you step by step how to create viral AI videos that can blow up on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and actually that you can make a good money online. Now, guys, in this video, if you know your first time here, this is Christine Immaculate on Immaculate Show, and I help creators like you to turn simple ideas into online income ideas. By the end of this video, you'll show exactly how to 1. Create viral videos, 2. Post them where people are watching right now, and 3. Monetize them so that you can earn money on a step-by-step tutorial. Before we dive in, let me say thank you to everybody that is watching us and to the subscribers. Guys, this is a disclaimer. I'm not a financial consultant. No, I'm not a financial guru. I'm a simple lady who decided to use what I have in my hands and make money out of my phone, which is already connected to internet. Guys, this video is for educational purposes. What you do, take the 10% that is here, make research for 90% and start making money. The first step is pick a viral niche, you guys. The first one, not all content creators or not all content they go viral. Right now, AI-powered content is a niche like relaxing music and ambience, motivated shorts, AI storytelling, and even AI news. These are niches that are exploding, that you can even confirm that recently we've been seeing some storytelling in form of AI going viral, and we wonder why. These niches work because they are evergreen. People keep searching for them, and you don't need to show your face. The second step is here. You can also get powerful content by using AI tools. Tools like ChatGPT, this can make you write scripts, elevate labs, or Math AI can generate realistic voiceovers. And platforms like Pictory, Runaway, or InVideo. AI can turn your text into engaging videos. They can complete a lot of things like even inserts and overlays, and they can complete without stock footage. Stock footage without forgetting also captions and music. All these ones can be put by AI tools. You literally go from idea to finished video, which in just less than 30 minutes. I know you're out there, you might be wondering. If you know you're wondering, you can write it in the comment section and let's take you how to do it step by step. Then the step 3, you optimize your virality. When we're talking about virality, like how can you make use of it? But creating isn't enough, you guys, because most people we can create. You need to grab attention. That means you can use your metadata. Should 1, having catchy titles with keywords like AI video that making money online or viral shorts. 2, you add subtitles so that viewers can watch without sound. 3, you can also keep your videos very short and punchy, between 30 seconds to 3 minutes for like TikTok, viral shorts, and even reels. Let's see the step number 4, which is to monetize your AI videos. Not all videos will be monetized, but let's talk about money. Here are 4 ways for you to start cashing out of your videos and your reels. 1, you can cash out through AdSense revenue on YouTube by getting monetized per and start earning AdSense income. Then the second one, you can do affiliate marketing. Here you will promote tools like the AI apps you use and earn commissions. which most people are doing right now. Then the third, you can also depend on sponsorships, whereby brands will pay for shout outs once your channel grows. Digital products is the fourth one, whereby you can sell your own templates, you can sell your own ebooks, you can sell your own guides. Then step number 5, let me share with you some of the examples that it can help you to run this one. Creators are already doing this. For example, AI faceless channels making relaxing music. Loops are pulling in like $2,000 per month. Others are uploading AI motivational shorts and getting millionaires being growing up on a daily basis from the millions of views. The difference between them and you is just starting. For them, they decided to start, but you have not started. So here is the truth. You don't need AI studio. You don't need maybe a physical one. And you don't also need a big budget or even show your face. With AI, anyone can create viral videos like this one I've created, post them, and turn views into income. The only thing stopping you is not starting. The only thing is that you need to start today, not wait for tomorrow. If you found this helpful, smash the like button, drop your comment, and subscribe, because I'll be sharing more AI hacks to help you grow and earn online. Forgive me for my voice. The voice has cold, but I love you so much. See you in another video. Bye bye.